It's simple time and this is Chef Tato and today gagawa tayo ng isang Chinese restaurant favorite na kaya naman natin gawin sa bahay. Kaya let's start cooking! This recipe is part of the Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC and gagawin naman natin today ang sweet and savory pata team. So ito, meron tayong pata front. So pata front yung harap ng pork, no? Sobrang ganda nating pata from Fresh Options of course. And ito siya, we have to look for the, the joint and we just score it, no? Para kumasya siya dito sa ating lutuan, we have to break the bone. So we just look for the joint and we just score. Yan, okay. Yan, madali na siya, oh. Yan, very easy. Yan. And so we will put it into our wok. Yan. And we will season with salt. Yan. We can marinate this with salt and Shaoxing wine, rice wine. Kung wala kayong rice wine, okay lang. You don't have to use it. Yan. You can marinate that or pwede natin pakulaan diretso, no? So, very important, first step ay palambutin muna natin yung ating pork. I will just add leeks here. I will also add peppercorns, whole peppercorns, yan. And I will add water. And I will just let this simmer for an hour, no? Until it's tender. And I will just move it to my bigger burner para mas mabilis siya kumulo. Let it simmer until tender. And our pata has been cooking for around 30 minutes now. Kasi ito yung pata natin, hindi siya nakasubmerge totally. Yung gagawin natin, babalik rin natin siya para magluto siya evenly. So halfway through, babalik rin natin siya. If you have a bigger pot na nakasubmerge siya, you use that. No? Yan. And let's continue to cook the pata for another 30 minutes. Yan. So, malambot na yung aking pata and gagawin na natin yung ating sauce. So, what do? We just put everything into our, wok. Yan, ating soy sauce. We're using Silver Swan soy sauce. Dato Puti oyster sauce. Around 4 tablespoons of Dato Puti oyster sauce. Ito, sobrang linamnam ng ating pata team. Sugar, we're using half a cup of sugar. We will add our aromatics as well. Cinnamon bark. Meron tayong star anise, garlic, 2 cloves of garlic which we sliced, dried shiitake mushrooms which we soaked in water. Yan. Add it here. And of course, we will add the stock or the sabaw from our pata. We're adding 3 cups of that. Yan. Malambot na siya. So around 3 cups. I think that's 3 cups. Yan. Natabi ko na to. We let that simmer and we will also thicken our sauce. So I have cornstarch here. I have 4 tablespoons of cornstarch and just a little bit of water. Just to dissolve. So it's also good to use potato starch for this. Maganda ang texture sa potato starch. For thickening sauces. Add it to our sauce. Yan, look at that. Stir natin hanggang mag-thicken yung ating pata team sauce. Yan, of course. And I will add my pata. Let the sauce, cook our pata. So if you want to have your boneless pata, you remove the, you remove the bones before braising it in our pata team sauce. Look at that. We'll cover the pot again and let it simmer for another 30 minutes to 45 minutes. And let's check on our pata team. It's almost done. Remember, always baste your pata team with the sauce every now and then, every few minutes. And a few more minutes, and it's going to be done. I will add my final ingredient. What is that? Sesame oil. Yan, just to add a little bit more gloss to my sauce, and we're done. Gentle, sobrang lambot na nito. Yan. Of course, our patatim. And of course, we will drizzle our sauce over our patatim. Look at that, di ba? And we put our shiitake mushrooms around our patatim. And we garnish with our bok choy and some blanched carrots. Yan, for color. Look at that. Ang ganda ng ating pata. Parang galing ng Chinese restaurant. Masarap to with rice or with the steamed buns yung manto. Try this recipe at home. Our version of patatim. I'm sure kaya nyo itong gawin sa bahay. After doing all our recipes, gumaling na kayo. Kaya tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto. Basta, simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.